to respectfully invite all teachers and students to straighten your earphones and prepare for a flag raising ceremony. We would like to invite all teachers and students to please be seated. Dear students, have you ever wondered why do we have holidays on April 30 and May 1? Easter are not simply a time for rest, but also a special time for our whole nation to remember the difficult journey our ancestors went through toward independence, freedom, and peace. The precious things we are enjoying today. April 30, 1975 was the day when South Vietnam was completely liberated and our country was reunited as one. It was a day when so many sons and daughters of Vietnam gave their lives so that our nation could blossom in independence. And May 1, International Workers' Day. It's a day to honor the hard-working and humble people who contribute every day to building our country with their hands, minds, and hearts. And all of you, the young green buds of our nation, are the future of this country. Right after this, we will watch a meaningful video about the theme of April 30, May the 1st, so that we can better understand the significance of these important holidays. Teachers and students, please direct your attention to the screen. So to the first question just now, we have reviewed many meaningful milestones in our nation's history. And to continue this spirit of pride and togetherness, we would like to invite all teachers and students to enjoy a special performance, the Dance Vietnamese Hearts, performed by the students of class 1-1. Please give them a big round of applause. Dear students and friends, today marks the flag ceremony with many meaningful activities has come to an end. Together, we have looked back on our national traditions and spread a sense of pride and unity. We would like to sincerely thank our teachers, senior students,